Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for how to split video in CapCut PC, then you are at right place. So in this video I will show you how you can split your video file in CapCut. So as you can see, I have a video in my timeline and I am going to show you three methods in order to split your video. So for example, I'm going to split the video from here from for 4 minutes and 56 seconds. So I'm just going to click here and then click on split. So just simple click here and here we go. We have split the file, video file. Okay, so this is the first method. If you want to delete this one, simply click delete from your keyboard and it will be deleted. Okay, so this is the first method. So second method I'm going to show you is you can simply do this one, control B. You can click here or you can do control B. So if I click here, you will see that the audio is splitted, the video file is split. So you can do it through shortcut control B, or you can use this icon split in order to do the split in the video. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.